Okay, in this tutorial right here, I'm finna actually show you guys like a way that I recommend you to try if you have slow internet. If you have Google, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Foxfire, any one of those, just go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, we're gonna go to speedtest.net. Now, what we're gonna do is test the speed out of your internet connection. Now, your internet service provider that you're buying your service from sometimes may slow down your data speed. Maybe you're with Knology or Mediacom, AT&T, something like that. You may be paying for 30 megabits per second, but you're probably getting like 9. And this website right here actually calculate that data. So what we're going to do is run a speed test. Um, it may ask you for your nearest location. If you see it in this box right here that pops up, hit it. I mean, it may not be the same city that you're in, but it may be closest to you. Just automatically check that box. Just click it. If not, just hit begin test. You can do either one. This is pretty good for speed. It's very good. It's very good considering me being on my wireless. Now, if I'm connected to an Ethernet cable, my download speed would be way higher. But keep in mind when you see this word right here says ping, like the average ping normally be around 85, and I'm right here at 89 right now. So if your ping is lower, that's very good. Very good. Let's say you're ping about 17 or 20. That's very good. Your internet probably moving a little quick. Um, Anything above 100 or 200 or 300 for your ping, that's very bad. Very bad. I mean your internet is not getting the data that it's supposed to be getting. That's just too high for ping in the first place. Your upload speed, you really pretty much want that up there. I mean, you really want that to be kind of high. And mine's right now 29.73. That's very good. Due to me being on wireless, that's why I'm getting 14.86. If I was plugged up to an Ethernet cable, maybe I should be getting about 30. But when you have wireless, wireless interacts with a lot of waves. So microwaves in your house and stuff like that, that kind of interferes with wireless antennas. So okay, after you run your test or whatever, you got your ping and your download speed, upload speed. You can close out your internet browser. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down here to the Start tab. Down here in your search bar, you're gonna type in REGEDIT, Reg Edit. It should pop up at the top. Right click it, open it. Hit yes. Okay, let me collapse all this so I can give you very brief details on how to get to where you need to be. Okay, once it come up, you should see just these folders. You're gonna go to H key local machine. Hit that. Collapse it. Um, Scroll down and go to system, which is I already hit mine. So go to the system folder, make that drop, and you're going to click current set, current control set. Hit that, make that drop, and scroll down to services. Make that drop. Once that drop, you're going to scroll down and find the folder TCP IP. So just scroll all the way down till you get to the T's. All of it's in alphabetical order. Past it. Okay, once you get to the T's, you should see TCIP. Click that, make that drop. Okay, once that drop, you're going to go to interfaces. Once you at that folder, make that drop. Once you make that drop, you should have a list of folders. Now, I'm trying to see how the best way I can explain to you which folder you need to go to, because ours may be different. I'm pretty sure ours is not the same. Um, okay, keep this screen up. Go back to the start menu and type in CMD. You should see CMD pop up. Now, we're going to right click this, but you ain't going to hit open. You need to hit run as administrator. Okay, once that's up, type in IP config. IPCONFIG. Hit enter. Okay. Now look at everything that popped up once you type this in, and look for. Let me see. Now if you using a wireless internet antenna, a laptop, or something like that, and you using wireless, you need to find something that says wireless LAN adapter. Now, if you're using a cord, an Ethernet cable plugged up to your computer or laptop, you need to look for the header that says Ethernet adapter, local area connection. Now, you need to pay attention to the first numbers, the IPv4 address. Now, I'm running wireless, so I'm paying attention to my IP4V address, which is 192.168.0.14. You just need to make sure you know your IPv address for whatever kind of connection that you're using, wireless or you're using Ethernet cord. Once you documented the number that you're using, keep it in mind. Don't forget it. You can close that. You can close this out now. Now, keep in mind, like I said, remember that number you use for your the internet connection type that you was using, wireless or Ethernet cable. And you should see it as you scroll down these folders. So I'm just scrolling down till I find my number, which was right here. This is my number, 192.6.8.14.0.14. Once you see your number should be listed on a tab that says DHCP IP address. And you should see your number over here, right here. If you see your number, you're in the right location. What we're gonna do is right click in a white space anywhere, as long as you're in a white space, and you're gonna hit new. Now I already did this, so we're just gonna show you how to type this in correctly. You're gonna right click, go to new, and do a D word. Create new D word. 32-bit value. Okay. Make sure you type this exactly how I'm typing this, because it is case sensitive. Now, the first thing you're going to type in is capital T. You put CP, capital A, CK, capital F, R, EQ, UNCY. TCP at frequency. Just make sure you have the T and the A and the F capitalized. Okay, once you create that, just click off of it and just click in the white space. Now I already got it. I already got it dead, so it's not gonna let me make another one. But once you make it, just click in the white space, and once you see that D word that you just made, double click it. And you want to set the value data right here to 1 hexadecimal. And hit OK. Okay, after that you can close this out. And the next step you will need to do is restart your computer. Now I'm not going to restart my computer, because first of all I'm recording the video. But after you restart your computer and load it up, go back to speedtest.net, and you should have a better average ping download speed and upload speed. They should be very different from what there was when you first ran your test. Your internet shouldn't have no lag, no kind of latency or errors in your internet connection. It should move very smoothly and quickly. Now, if it do not run quickly, that means you did something wrong. Because I do this all day, every day. I mean, I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing. um, but yeah, after you restart your computer or whatever, your internet should move faster. If you need some help, hit me up. I'll leave my email in the links in the description, and that's it.